Let us now look at how can we deal with these alternative conceptions in the classroom. The first step is to accept that alternative conceptions are normal and everyone will carry some type of alternative conceptions in their mind. It might be small, it might be big, but everyone has one. Next, whenever we come across any errors being committed by children in the classroom, we have to investigate the reasons and the patterns behind such errors. Are they because of simple mistakes or are they because of alternative conceptions? If they are because of alternative conceptions, then we have to understand them first, because we cannot confront, we cannot correct anything that we cannot understand. Therefore, we have to understand them first. And then we have to confront them. That is, we have to give an alternative perspective. We have to show children that why their alternative conception is wrong and there is a better scientific explanation for that. So, lectures and theoretical methods are not enough because such alternative conceptions are very deeply embedded in a person's mind. So, you cannot confront them and you cannot correct them using just lectures or theoretical methods. So, when you are providing a different perspective or an approach to that particular situation, you have to use a hands-on and an experiential approach. For example, if you want to tell children as to why they should not be wearing black colored clothes when they are going out in summer, then because their parents or their family or their community would have told them a specific reason which they believe in it deeply. So lectures and theoretical methods are not enough, right? We have to show them with some experiential approach as to why black color absorbs more heat, and that is the reason why they should not be wearing it. So once they have been given an alternative perspective and they understand the scientific approach, then that knowledge should be reinforced, because only through reinforcement and revision the knowledge becomes stronger in a person's mind. So these are the basic steps in dealing with alternative conceptions, preconceptions or misconceptions in the classroom.